Still fooling my mom truck here. So, only other thing I need to do before I do the cata clean and see how it alters the fuel trims is to change the valve cover. So, I'm gonna pretty eager to see what this looked like on the inside because this car has 300,000 miles on it. So, we're gonna pull the valve cover off and take a look inside of a 306,000 mile engine, and then we'll do the cata clean experiment and see how it alters the fuel trim. So really quick, pulling the wires off. It's a questionable breather here. Get the breather off. And we'll grab a 10 millimeter. Start pulling the bolts around the cover there. Can't see what I'm doing in the back, so. Pull this loom out the way to see a little more clearance. I probably really didn't need to pull that off. It's off now. I just didn't think there was anything behind there. Oh shit. Little grommets and collapsed. Well, I bet you if it wasn't for these just going bad, because that's what keeps its downward pressure on it. Valve cover probably would have lasted a lot longer than this one. No, that ain't one right there. Is it? Nope. I think I just pry it off. No, there we go. All right, 306,000 mile engine. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh wow, wow. I do believe that they kept their oil change every 3,000 miles. That looks really good. Wow, that looks really good right there. Let's look at the timing chain. I mean, unless this motor is replaced halfway through its life and well maintained. I mean, got some scarring on the journals, on the cam lobes there, but it ain't nothing major. I mean, those are normal wear, the pressure points. Wow, looks great. Let's see what's under the valve cover gasket. I'm sorry, under the valve cover itself. Golly. Yeah, you can tell they kept this oil well maintained. Let's see how pliable those grommets are. Yeah, they're hard. Yeah, they can be definitely replaced. Other than that, man, this looks great. Looks really good. Hey, Toyota. All right, let's get everything cleaned up and reinstalled. Additional thing, I'm glad I didn't touch those grommets or the tube seals, because either of them jokers can't, because they didn't come with any. Golly, boy, I would have been in a world of trouble if I would have took one of them tube seals out and I don't have the kit that didn't come with it. So, hey, life. Okay, got a new gasket on there, no tube seals. Put some sealant. Those corners. Right there. Oh shit. Alright. Grommets. I think I just pull them out. Say that right. Yeah, these ain't gonna cooperate. Get my life together. Alright, so quickest way I figure out how to get these off is literally like 5 minutes ago. I think this is the most effective way. Grab a pair of pliers, get a 10 millimeter, and turn them out. So this is the route I'm taking. Screw it all the way out. Dispose of the old grommet. Put the new one on. And insert. Took every bit of like 5 minutes to think of. Slide it in there. Insert it. Alright, let me do like all of them like this, because otherwise it's going to be freaking boring. On my last one, so took about 5 minutes. Got them all started by hand and these up. This driver thing goes over and pick it up. Better alternative. Yeah. Just want to snug them. Like I said, the rubber grommet is what keeps the tension on it. So once you snug them down, that rubber is going to keep that downward force on it. The valve cover, and they still should be snug. Good. Oh, fuck. We were good until I broke that, right? I got something. I got some retainers for the ignition wire, so it's fine. I'll just buy a set. If I can't find all mine. Well, what happened, right? Got it. I'm gonna have to use what I got because it's like that break in the aftermarket was too large. Alright, let's get this PCB back on. I would try to do something with this, but I don't. The thing is, it reduces. It has like a 1/2 inch to a 3/4 reducer. I hate to even. I'll put it this way. Fuel trims aren't extreme, so I really hate to even try to bother with it, make it worse than what it is. So leave that alone. think that I don't think this is creating enough vacuum in this box here, this silencer, and I really think that contributes to somewhat the issue with the fuel trim. But it's not extreme, so if it ever become a problem, then I'll address it. Till then, I'm gonna let it alone. We're good to go. Cool. Alright, so what did we learn today? Evidently it's not that bad to keep a 3,000-mile oil change, so yeah. Change the oil. This car has, this truck has 306,000 miles on it. It looked really good on the inside and the inside of the valve train. I can only imagine what the bottom end will look like. Normally the places that are starved for oil will normally be sludged up. I don't know if you ever took like a V6 older Toyota Solara or Toyota Camry motor apart and look at the rear valve cover. Or the, you'll see that it has issues with oil circulation. But this car evidently doesn't have that issue, and it looks really good. So contrary to popular belief, you got these synthetic oils that last 15,000 miles. I mean, we see what happened when a car is kept at a 3,000 mile regimen. Looks great. So hopefully it'll last another 300,000 miles, and I'll be doing more work to it. But as far as this truck, it has sentimental values. My mom's truck, so I'm gonna do a little testing on as far as what happens when you put like a complete fuel treatment cleaner in there. Of course, I need to change the fuel filter, but it needed it. But there'll be another video, so you'll see it. So we're gonna check the fuel trims and see how that works once we put the Cataclean inside of it and see if it does what I assume. Well, you'll see once you see the video. But the valve cover's done. Car is a complete tune-up. I'm going to start it up, let the access burn off, and get started on another video.